Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and share healthy meals and other favorites. And today I'm going to do one of my favorites. Actually, I have a package that came and I ordered this. This is canning supplies. I've already have canning supplies, but there was one item that I did not have, and I found it last month. It was on back order from Bed Bath & Beyond. I searched everywhere and it was kind of overpriced. So I found it and I got a discount. So let me open it, but I want to show you I got everything in this box for $3.11. It took a month to get it, but I got it. So keep watching it. So here it is. Yes, everything for under $4. Bed Bath & Beyond had it on sale. And of course I had a $20 off coupon. And so, yep, they had the dissolving labels. I have a couple of those, but when I saw that, I was like, you know what, I want to get another one. And it seems like right when I ordered everything went out of stock. So it's been a month. So hopefully if you're still in need of some of these items, you can still find it. So of course, like I shared, I already had these tools, but there's one item that I did not have, which is the magnet. Yes, I searched everywhere. It was overpriced, and I was like, I'm not about to pay $20 for that little magnet. So I just used, what I had in my own kitchen to get the magnet lids out of the boiling water. But now I officially have everything that I need. Like I shared, I already had the tongs. I had 2 of these, and then I had the little wide mouth canning funnel. So I'm pretty excited. Keep watching. I'll go ahead and open the box and we will take everything out. All right. So I really love this. I love green. One of my favorite colors, and I like how everything is matching. So let's see. So right here we have the jar wrench right here, where you're gonna get the little air bubbles out, and then like I said, we have the little funnel. I already have 2 of those, but everything matches. And then we have the jar lifter. We'll be able to lift the jars. And we have the magnetic lid lifter. So this little item I did not have in my little collection, so now I am officially canner equipped. So I'm excited. And then, oh, this is new. I didn't have this. This is the vinyl coated jar wrench. So this one is new. And the vinyl coated tongs. Of course, I already had these. These 2 items I did not have. This was like a little bonus for me because, yeah. But this little gadget right here, last month, I don't know about now, I haven't really checked, but last month when I was in search for this little magnet, with shipping and everything, it was $20. And yeah, that was crazy. So for this whole package and my labels, I got it for under $4. So awesome sale, awesome deal. If you're still looking for canning supplies, Bed Bath & Beyond, last month when I ordered, they still had it. I know when I went back to get more labels, the labels was sold out. I haven't checked to see, but they might still have labels. So yeah, I just wanted to share a little unboxing today. Thanks for watching. That was a really good deal. All this for under $4. What a blessing. Have a wonderful day. As usual, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video.